Today we're visiting the gorgeous little town of Loo. We've been here before and it's one of our favourite little towns in Cornwall. It's based in the north of Cornwall and it's known for its beautiful scenery and also crabbing. We'll show you a little bit of that later, but basically you see so many people with their buckets trying to get the crabs. We're about to nip into one of our favourite places for fish and chips. I'll have extra salt and vinegar, please. This is the most modern fish and chip shop I've ever seen. Who knew you could order on a menu like this? This was one of our favourite meals on the trip. Stay tuned for the next video when we show you what we ate on our whole trip. So Loo has a few nice little shops that you can just browse in. This was one of the nice shops on the left here. The other one being the Harry Potter shop that we'll show you later. Or Henrietta something. Obviously trying not to breach copyright and only just succeeding.
I think $3.99 it says there.
Quite like them.
Do you? Which one do you like?
Quite colourful, aren't they?
Yeah, very nice. Do you have... Is there a doggy like you? Like you, but your doggy.
Doggy like me, that's something. This shop had the most random set of items, but it felt like a seaside kind of shop. Here she is, Henrietta.
So you see this is purple, but I shake it and it turns orange. So what I mean is, what colour do you want it to start as, and then when shaken, what colour do you want it to be? If I'm making any sense at all, yeah.
I would like it yellow.
Definitely not Harry Potter merchandise. Eliza was absolutely loving it in here, so I had to convince her not to buy anything and try to distract her with little jokes and things like that. I'm pleased to tell you it worked.
Such an honor it is.
And that was one of the many distractions.
My gosh, this is incredible. It's actually such a great shop.
It's nice, but it's £47 for a cushion. quick, distract with pictures.
Harry Potter and the other wizards.
Wow.
In all seriousness, no, it was a really cool shop, and the woman like showing the kids how to make potions and things like that was really nice for families. It was a little bit expensive, but I'm sure if you're really into Harry Potter, then you know it would have been okay. Or even Henrietta.
When you shake the turn green, then you leave it to Oh, you want to green to turn green?
I want, yeah.
Oh, sorry.
No. You wanted it blue, darling. Remember, we
To go.
I think you're happy with it, the way she
You
showed.
like it the way that you showed.
Right. Here's another one then. So let's do another demo part. Oh.
That woman would not take no for an answer. She needed to sell those products. And back outside we go to some more magic. The houses were painted different colours and they looked out onto the sea? Ocean? Definitely not ocean. River? Let us know in the comments below. This is the preferred spot for the crab crabbing? Crab crabbing? Yes. So last time we visited Loo, we were only there for a couple of hours because I felt a bit unwell, but there is actually a beach in Loo and it is the other side of the town, so make sure you go to this section of town, otherwise you might miss it. And the hotel we were staying in is at the top of the cliffs on the right up there. The weather took a turn for the worse, so we took refuge in a little bar called Bottle. Cheers.
This one's.
We wanted to walk around the lake, but by the time we'd reached 10,000 steps, that was enough for us. But overall, on our 3-day Cornwall trip, Loo was probably our favourite place. It's definitely peaceful, beautiful, and there's a lot more options than some of the towns like Mousehole. We'd definitely recommend. Now we'll give you a quick tour of our hotel room.
Here's a little room tour. So here we got a lovely double bed with 2 side tables and lovely lights. I think there we've got a remote. Yeah, for the TV, just right here. To my left, we've got a very nice feature of a room. Is like an old world map, which looks incredible to be honest. Just all the details that we've got in here. Really nice and lovely. I like things like that a lot. Just under this picture map, we've got a table with 2 chairs. We've got a hairdryer and an extension for charging your phone, your any other electronics really. We've got a mirror in a little corner right next to the first big window. And our view is on a little garden area, which is really nice. It's just a bit wet at the minute because it was pouring down earlier. Yeah, we've got a radiator, which is nice, a bin. We've got a fridge, microwave, just a little like kitchen side table, a sink, which is nice just to wash your cups and everything. We've just been drinking our coffees because we've been frozen from the pouring down rain. Little hob. Here we have kettle, 2 more cups, 2 glasses, 2 spoons. As you can see, a selection of milk and coffee. It's decaf coffee as well, as far as I can see. 2 lovely shortcake biscuits. And here we have some hangers for our clothes. And here is the bathroom. Very spacious, got a lovely big window as well. Here's the toilet. We've got a sink just right here. There's lots of nice appliances from the hotel. Soap and a holder for the toothbrushes and everything. And the big shower itself. So here you go, guys. That's a little room tour from our hotel in Loo.
So we hope you enjoyed that little room tour. Thanks for joining us. And please, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.